TechnoAlpin's cutting-edge snow guns and fan guns represent the future of artificial snowmaking. These revolutionary devices redefine the limits of extensive snow coverage. These fan guns showcase cutting-edge technologies like ceramic quadrajet nozzles and oil-free compressors. With a diverse range of fan guns tailored to suit various demands and terrains, this fan gun ensures you have the perfect solution at your fingertips. You've seen decorative lights before, but Nanolight offers much more than just vibrant, funky light panels for your home. These modular wonders boast a sturdy construction, intuitive performance, and smart home integration that will exceed your expectations of smart lighting. First and foremost, setting them up is a breeze and an absolute delight. You'll have a blast exploring the vast array of color and shape possibilities they offer, allowing you to customize your space like never before. But it doesn't stop there. These lights really impress with their seamless integration into your smart home ecosystem, enhancing your overall connected living experience. Their versatility and expandability further contribute to their appeal. These lights are built to last and adapt to your evolving needs. AmbiSort is an all-inclusive solution that brings together the various components to streamline the sorting process. By integrating robotic picking, item analysis, and quality control, AmbiSort ensures efficient handling of boxes, flats, poly bags, and other items, regardless of their deformable or rigid nature. What sets this ingenious little innovation apart is its soft touch and effector, which ensures gentle handling of delicate items. Powering this is AmbiOS, an advanced operating system that leverages simulation to reality AI technology. This cutting-edge approach enables robots to quickly learn how to pick and pack millions of unique items right from the first day of deployment. Matternet is really at the forefront of revolutionizing drone delivery systems in urban and suburban areas. In what was an extremely exciting development, the company embarked on a groundbreaking test operation all the way back in December. They successfully conducted flights on a 5-kilometer BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight route, over the vibrant city of Zurich, Switzerland. Thanks to this unmanned aircraft, the transportation of samples between the hospitals and their laboratories now takes a mere 7 minutes. This test is a compelling demonstration of drones' potential to offer rapid, on-demand delivery for urgent shipments on an individual basis. Most importantly, it does so without adding to traffic congestion on Zurich's roads or emitting harmful CO2 emissions. Matternet's endeavor is a promising glimpse into the future of efficient and environmentally friendly urban transportation. Seedze is a wearable instant relief kit that's here to revolutionize your well-being. This 3-in-1 wellness kit is a game changer for pain, stress management, and overall health improvement. Say goodbye to discomfort and fatigue anytime and anywhere. This kit combines the power of 3 remarkable therapies: thermal therapy, far infrared therapy, and aromatherapy. By harnessing electromagnetic thermal therapy and FIR, Seedze taps into clinically proven wavelengths that trigger your body's natural healing response. It's like giving your body a gentle nudge towards relief. Additionally, the resonance absorption effect ensures your body not only absorbs the FIR, but also detoxifies harmful substances. But that's not all. Seedze takes it a step further with aromatherapy, circulating specific aromatic components to soothe your senses and alleviate pain and stress. Meet ALVA, the ultimate accessory for runners and cyclists. Whether worn on your wrist or ankle, this thing not only illuminates your path, but ensures visibility to others, making it crucial for road and trail users. Crafted to withstand any adventure, it is weatherproof, rugged, and durable, once fitted to the accessory straps or mounts. With rechargeable micro-LED torches available in white or red, this handy little device offers up to 3 hours of usage on a full charge, and charging takes less than 40 minutes. For extended outings, additional units can be swapped in. Next up on the list is a very cute invention, Mini Pupper 2, the next generation of our incredible robot companion. Everyone's favorite Pupper is equipped with an advanced servo that unlocks a whole new range of captivating actions and intelligent behaviors. The servo provides precise position feedback, while the second iteration of this robot goes even further by offering position, velocity, and torque feedback. Equipped with LiDAR and OpenCV 3D camera modules, Mini Pupper unlocks remarkable self-driving capabilities, such as SLAM, navigation, and object tracking in full 3D coordinates. Oh, and did I tell you, you can even control it with a controller or a mouse, and even a keyboard. Allow me to introduce SolarGaps, the innovative smart blinds that revolutionize energy consumption. These blinds automatically track the sun, optimizing panel angles to generate solar electricity for your home, apartment, or office. Designed with affordability in mind, these smart blinds cater to renters and homeowners alike. The DIY plug-and-play solution allows easy installation for renters, while homeowners can explore additional options for maximum energy production. With built-in solar panels capable of generating up to 100 to 150 watts per 10 square feet of window space, these blinds can power 30 LED bulbs or 3 MacBooks. Not only do these blinds generate energy, but they also reduce air conditioning costs by shading interiors, saving up to 80% in energy expenses. High-Tech's pneumatic fenders are the ultimate solution for ship-to-ship operations and beyond. These innovative air-filled floating fenders are designed to operate at high pressures, offering unparalleled versatility and performance. They have found widespread application in ship-to-ship operations, remote berthing, inclined berthing, and even naval operations. What sets them apart from other fender types is their remarkably low reaction to both the ship and the jetty structure. They effortlessly adapt to variations in high tides, ensuring a seamless docking experience. Even in challenging weather conditions, these pneumatic fenders exert low mooring forces, providing reliable and secure berthing. And here's the icing on the cake. They offer the most cost-effective solution in most cases, delivering outstanding value for your investment. In an exciting announcement made in November 2020, a new breed of cutting-edge robotic vessels began taking center stage, leading the charge towards carbon neutrality. The name? Ocean Infinity's Armada. These innovative vessels have been meticulously designed to meet the demands of today, while keeping an eye on the future. With a strong focus on fuel efficiency, they will initially operate with a minimal crew on board, relying on onshore control systems. Specifically tailored for offshore energy, logistics, and maritime transport industries, these vessels boast impressive features. With a length of 78 meters, they offer exceptional DP2 performance, generous deck space, and twin moon pools, making them perfect for a wide range of precision operations.